Hi Rahul.
Airtel.
So can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Rahul Kaushal. I'm a super final year student, Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering. I'm enrolled in the 5-year integrated dual degree course and I'm placed at Abbott right now.
Okay. So like Rahul, how is the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering at IIT Kharagpur?
The same question I used to wonder when I got this department 5 years back, and usually you do not get to know much about this department here in India. But if you go outside, especially in United States, this department originated. I would say the science of industrial engineering. It originated in the United States, and right now it's popular everywhere in Europe, in China, everywhere research is going on in this field. And luckily, IIT Kharagpur also has this department, and it was the first department in the country that was established here in IIT Kharagpur. Considering the department is it is multidisciplinary. If you ask me one particular specialization of the department, I might not be able to answer it because the department helps you select a lot of specializations, but itself it doesn't have any one specialization. Summing, or maybe I should say, describing the department in short, as the name suggests, industry engineering. Industries involve a lot of work. Right now, industries involve information technology, manufacturing, production, processing, uh, data analysis, banking, finance. So, if you consider all these aspects, industrial engineering covers all of these.
Okay. So like what is the exposure that the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering provides, especially at like IIT Kharagpur?
Department of Industrial and System Engineering, basically we get trained in a lot of aspects. You can select coding, maybe coding as your specialization. You can select finance, banking. In my case, I was interested more in field jobs. So after my 4th year, I went for some of these practical stuff, and I started studying maintenance. Now, maintenance is a very specialized sector. You won't usually get it taught in classrooms at an undergraduate level. So I talked to my professor, and luckily the department has a lot of flexibility. The professors are very willing to accept different spheres of research. So my professor allowed me to work in the field of maintenance. I worked on that for 2 years, and I got to learn a lot of things. Plus, uh, people who are interested in visiting industries, shop floors, processing, as that's my field. I would say that Kharagpur has this opportunity that Kharagpur has a lot of manufacturing centers around it, and the professors certainly they have a lot of contacts. So I did not have that problem collecting data or getting experience about any of these shop floors. Along with my internships, whenever I wanted to visit any of these industries, I talked to my professor, and any of these places I could visit. So that is the level of reach that the department has.
Okay. So like how is your overall experience at IIT Kharagpur since you are like involved in a lot of activities at IIT Kharagpur?
The experience at IIT Kharagpur it has been really nice. It has been I would say not consistent. It has been fluctuating, ups and downs. That's a part of life, I would say. But certainly, I feel it has made me better. Initially, when I came here, Kharagpur has a very different location. Any of the people who are coming from cities, initially we question that what kind of place it is. But that might be too early to conclude anything about this place. Uh, this place it gives you time about a lot of different activities. It gives you time about thought process, gives you time about selecting your field of interest, right? I wanted to along with studies and my interest in my department, I wanted to also join some organizing teams. So I became a member of robotics in my first year, and I remained that for the next 5 years. I'm still the coordinator of the society. And more than learning robotics, I also got a chance to organize the annual fest, the technical fest that we have, and the specifically the robotics fest, which is the largest in the Southeast Asia. I got to learn a lot of managerial skills through that. That really helped me in my internships and during my placement session. Plus, I also have an undying love for sports, and Kharagpur is an extremely awesome place for pursuing sports. We have this inter-IIT meet in which athletes from all IITs compete, and luckily I selected my game I got into athletics and I was good in it. And Kharagpur gave me an excellent platform, even in sports, both to perform and to head two of the teams for 2 consecutive years. Once as the team captain, other as the contingent captain. So, along with studies, managerial skills, sports, that has been my life at Kharagpur, and it has been really learning and enjoyable.
Okay. So this is all about the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering. If you want to know more, you can visit y.itkgp.ac.in. Thank you.